The mysterious lighthouse at the edge of Jamaica, Morant Point explained. What if I told you there's a lighthouse standing at the easternmost tip of Jamaica that has guided sailors for over a century and a half? A lighthouse so remote that many Jamaicans have never visited it. Welcome to Morant Point Lighthouse, the silent guardian watching over the Caribbean Sea. When people think of Jamaica, they often imagine beaches, resorts, and reggae music. But hidden far from the tourist crowds stands one of the island's most historic landmarks. The Morant Point Lighthouse, and its story is far more interesting than you might expect. Morant Point Lighthouse is located at Morant Point in the parish of St. Thomas. It marks the easternmost point of Jamaica. In simple terms, if Jamaica were an arrow, this lighthouse would be the tip. And unlike your phone's GPS, it has been helping people find their way for generations. The lighthouse was first lit in 1841. That means it has been standing for well over 180 years. Imagine all the ships, storms, sunrises, and hurricanes it has witnessed. At this point, the lighthouse probably knows more Jamaican history than most history books. Before modern navigation technology, sailors depended heavily on visual landmarks. The waters around Jamaica were busy shipping routes. The lighthouse helped vessels safely navigate the coastline and avoid dangerous mistakes. Back then, there was no recalculating route. There was only don't hit the rocks. Being located on Jamaica's eastern tip means Morant Point faces powerful weather systems coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. Over the decades, the lighthouse has endured storms, hurricanes, strong winds, and relentless coastal conditions. Basically, it's the Caribbean equivalent of that one friend who never cancels plans. Visitors who make the journey are rewarded with spectacular ocean views. Sunrises here are especially breathtaking because this is the first part of Jamaica to greet the morning sun. If the island had a morning alarm clock, Morant Point would be it. Unlike Jamaica's major tourist attractions, Morant Point Lighthouse remains relatively off the beaten path. That means fewer crowds and a more authentic experience. It's one of those places where history, nature, and adventure quietly come together. Morant Point Lighthouse is more than a tower. It's a symbol of Jamaica's maritime history and an important part of the island's coastal heritage. For generations, it has stood watch over the sea, helping sailors navigate safely. And today, it remains one of Jamaica's most fascinating hidden landmarks. Have you ever visited Morant Point Lighthouse, or would you like to? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering hidden places, forgotten history, and incredible destinations, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because there are many more amazing stories waiting to be explored. Globe sparkles.